Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Temenos Banking Software. Review my usage experience. Temenos Banking Software. Review my usage experience offers an in-depth look at the Temenos banking software platform. It's aimed at banking professionals, IT managers, and anyone involved in selecting or implementing core banking systems. The main purpose is to provide reviews, comparisons, and insights into the software's functionalities, usability, and overall effectiveness. Key features discussed in reviews typically include core banking processes, customer relationship management, CRM, digital channels, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on various aspects of Temenos software, including its features and client testimonials. The software positions itself as a comprehensive, scalable solution for modern banking needs. Ease of use is often a highlighted benefit, although the complexity might vary depending on specific modules and configurations. Pricing is generally not publicly available and would need to be discussed directly with Temenos sales. The platform utilizes a client-server architecture, leveraging modern technologies for security and performance. Availability and deployment methods vary depending on the client's needs and infrastructure. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Temenos banking software. Review my usage experience. I access several independent reviews and user testimonials from various online sources to gain insight. Getting started involved navigating several websites and filtering through a lot of marketing materials to find unbiased reviews. The interface of the Temenos software, as described in the reviews, seemed quite complex, requiring a steep learning curve. Navigating through the core functionalities and understanding the various modules, like the loan origination system or the payment processing module, as detailed by different reviewers, took significant time and effort. Performance, based on the user feedback I gathered, was generally positive, with reports indicating good speed and reliability. I didn't have any direct customer support interaction with Temenos itself, but the reviews I read often mentioned responsive and helpful support teams. One pro was the sheer breadth of functionalities offered, truly a comprehensive banking solution. A con was the complexity of the system, which could be overwhelming for smaller banks or those without the necessary IT expertise. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the level of detail and insights provided by the available reviews and user experiences, giving me a good understanding of Temenos banking software capabilities. That's my overview of Temenos banking software. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.